Most of the parking lot's picking up already. Okay, Widget, you can get out now. Let's go. Widget wants to go out bad. Yeah, let's go. Hey everyone, John Chow here from JohnChow.com, and welcome to another .com lifestyle vlog. It's Saturday, and Saturday night over at Cars and Coffee. Cars and Coffee is a weekly event that happens here in San Clemente in South Orange County. Every Saturday, around 500 to 600 cars get together on this parking lot just to, well, basically show off, talk about cars, enjoy the company, and have coffee. Check it out, Sally. It's the Porsche 918 in Martini Lively. This wow.
The lights are weird.
The lights are weird? No, that's for the Porsche. Nice. This is Porsche's hybrid. I wonder if he has a if he has one of those California stickers on it. Hey, I like that license plate. Not a 917. Why? Because it's a 918. 918 Spider. Ferrari 488 Spider. What do you think of this one, Sally? Beautiful interior, all done in leather. I mean, Ferrari's leather work is always amazing. This is a replacement for the 458.
Another puppy! He's actually all over the place. He's 8 years old. How old are you? He'll be 2 next month. 2 years old?
Cars and Coffee, this is a kids and dog friendly event. The green mirror caps are a nice touch. He's got 5-point harness. Look at these carbon fiber seats there. And the whole interior is carbon fiber. The console, everything. This entire car is made of one single carbon fiber tub. Unfortunately, because of the electric motors, everything is still actually pretty heavy. Check out the exhaust coming up the top of the car instead of the bottom. That's the exhaust, Sally. It spits flames up here. See, nice touches in case you didn't know what this cap is for. Oh, Sally, in case one 918 is not enough, how about another one? That's right, Cars and Coffee. The only place where you can see 2 918s in one location. You may notice a lot of high-end cars with this license plate frame that says CHP 1199 Foundation. This particular license plate frame you had to pay $5,000 for, and it's basically this 918 owner made a donation to the CHP 1199 Foundation, which helps fallen officers. So this frame signifies that he gave $5,000 donation, and it's kind of like a get out of jail free card. So you know, if an officer pulls you over for speeding or doing some not major thing like drinking and driving, but you know, going a little over the speed limit, he pulls you over. If he sees this license plate frame, odds are he'll be a little more lenient on you because you gave $5,000 minimum to fellow officers. So a little trick for rich people with ultra expensive cars to escape that ticket. Wow, that's very nice. Coffee is supplied by Ruby's. This may look like a regular Audi R8, but it's actually it's got some cool modifications on here. First thing you notice is the wheels, and next thing you notice that it's a gated shifter. So that's a gated 6-speed shifter. But the most telltale sign is this little thing that says VF Engineering. So I'm gonna assume it's a supercharged one, but it's not. So obviously it just says a VF tune, not the supercharge. Yeah. I seem to have lost Sally and Widget. Corvettes are always well represented at Cars and Coffee. Oh wow, check this thing out. It's like, it's just like a tub, no seat belt, no nothing. A little Herc shifter on the floor. I mean, this is a death trap waiting to happen. I would not feel safe from that at all. Widget, what are you doing? You see another dog? Yeah, oh he does. See, in addition to Corvette, Porsches are really well represented here at Cars and Coffee.
This looks like my car.
You should definitely change your mind.
This is like my car.
Like I know every little frame already.
Haha, look, I like that. Little GoPro holder on the tow hook. There you go, Sally. That's the new Lamborghini Performante. This is the car that broke the Nürburgring record until the Porsche 911 GT2 took it back. It's very low to the ground. I remember when I was in Lamborghini Newport Beach, I sat in it and I barely fit. It's yeah, it's a tight fit for me. That's one of the things I'm debating. I'm looking at getting a Lamborghini and replacing the Jaguar with a Lambo, but yeah, something to think about because it is a tight fit for me. But it looks beautiful. And these exhausts coming out the back, it's insane. It's a good thing this one has a front nose lift kit, otherwise you'll be scraping that air dam like no tomorrow. Look at this vintage Corvette, Sally. Look at that, the engine. Beautifully done. Wow.
Whoa, red inside.
Yeah, look at the interior and everything. This has been beautifully restored. And in case you're wondering, it's a 1962 Corvette. Man, I haven't seen one of these things since I was a kid. Oh my God. This is a big Lincoln Continental. Look at the trademark grille. Oh my God, Lincoln have designed a car like this since, well, since forever. We should call it Cars, Dogs, and Coffee. And there we have a beautiful Scooby-Doo van. And another beautiful Scooby-Doo van. In fact, there's 4 Scooby-Doo vans. I love these things, and you know, I'm really happy that Volkswagen has decided to bring this back to life. So they're gonna make a new electric Scooby-Doo van coming up, I guess in the next 2 years or so. Looking forward to it. More dogs. Cars, Dogs, and Coffee. I think I'm gonna rename it. More cars coming in. Check out that gold Camaro, Sally.
Oh my goodness!
Yeah, it's like, it's, well, that's I don't know what to make of that wrap. It's different. I'll just say it's different. Punch buggies. Punch buggies. More punch buggies. Punch, Sally. I saw it first. Look at that. Look at the lights on that one. It has angel rings. Ouch. It has angel rings on this one. Ouch. Stop punching me. Stop punching me.
That's one. You forgot.
Basically, if you want to show off your car, just come and show it off on a parking spot. There's no like reservations or anything like that. I think the Jag looks right at home. Oh my God, classic Porsche 928 with the lights that look into the sky. It's the Griswold family wagon. Of course, you need a dog.
They argue about that.
That is a big turbo.
I think reading all of them is...
I can only imagine a turbo lag.
Better average?
Okay, I see. This is an HRE demo car. So this Lexus belongs to HRE. They're the wheel manufacturer right here. So on this side they got the gold ones, and then on this side they have the blue ones. Yeah, the Corvette Club is every bit as big. Actually, I think it right now is bigger than the Porsche Club. This row is all Corvettes.
Well, until Porsche.
Yeah, it's all Corvettes here. Corvette, I believe, is the most represented car here at Cars and Coffee.
And then, oh.
Corvettes everywhere, Sally.
Ah, there's a dog. Hello.
Corvette dog. So far, all F-types, the only F-type here, Sally. I feel unique. Oh, I spoke too soon. There's a F-type, a V6. So much for being exclusive at Cars and Coffee. Engine's in the back. It's got a makeshift engine cover. What is this? This is the coolest thing. What is this? This engine's. It's a Volkswagen. Oh my God! Can this thing be a rebody bug? Sally, what is this thing? I think it's a Corvette.
It's a smushed slug.
Yeah, it is a Corvette. It's a
slug.
It's a bug.
It looks like a slug.
I don't know what it is, but it's okay. It's not to my taste, but I'm not going to say anything bad about it. It looks like a slug. Okay, I won't argue with that. You know, everyone has their own taste. My taste is more toward this Peppermonte. Add this to the list of cars I won't fit. All right, so here, film me and show everyone how low this thing is.
This is my dad's leg. This is him.
There is no way I will fit this thing, unless my head would like pop this up, you know.
You have two legs too.
Yeah. Okay, it's the same dog.
What
are you doing? What are you doing?
What's going on here? You giving him a hug?
Where'd you want the hug?
It's not even springtime.
It's a hug.
Okay, hugs are good. Bye-bye, thanks for sharing. Are you okay?
Yeah, that's the same dog. Okay, let's go get our pretzel, Sally. Alright, time to get our weekly pretzel. Oh cool, that's the first time I noticed that. You actually have a little pretzel template. Cool. Fresh off the frying pan? I don't know what's that called. Fresh off the buttering fryer pretzel maker. Wow, that is. Woohoo! Is it hot? So good, eh? Yeah, she's happy. So, Sally got the pretzel. I got the individual cinnamon sugar pretzel bites, I guess. Really, really good.